I got a busy day today, Shawnee.
Okay.
So you guys saw the progress on this Lamborghini Huracan. It's now officially complete. So the whole driver's side of this vehicle has been repaired, been painted. As you can see, the color matches exactly. We do use only PPG. This is a black color, black metallic. It's a three-stage paint job. Black cars are really difficult to polish and buff out. What happens when you polish it is you'll have swirl marks. Now, one thing I want to show you guys, we get asked this all the time, right? Why we use PPG. I'm gonna read this to you. Automobile Lamborghini recommends only PPG products during refinishing. PPG's lifespan of the paint and clear coat is much longer than regular paint. You're supposed to repair it due to automaker standards. So this is why we use high quality paint and only PPG. Alright guys, so we just left the shop. We're actually on a test drive right now. I want to make sure everything's tip-top, the car's performing well before we give it back to the customer. This thing sounds beautiful.
It's like the best exhaust I heard on a Lamborghini so far.
Yeah, this is a nice exhaust. Let's see how the downshift sounds. Got this G63 in. It actually came in this morning. It came in basically for the Starlight package. We're going to be installing stars in this. I'm very excited to do this car. In my opinion, it's actually one of the nicest cars you could put the Starlight into. The headliner is very massive, so you see the real effect of it. Shiro, what are you doing? One thing about installing the Starlight headliners is the wiring and finding a way to bring the fiber optics so it's not visible. So as you can see right now, this is basically the rear subwoofer, right? You also have a cover like this that goes over it, right? So basically that's where we're installing the unit. As you can see, we're gonna run the cables through the back, through the hoop, right? So once you put all this stuff back, that's intact. You won't even see it, and the only way you could actually find it is if you know where to install it. Now, Shiro, we can start taking it apart. We're removing a lot of the stuff that you guys might think is unnecessary is the fact of taking out, right? The more space we open, like taking out all of these, the easier the headliner gonna come out, because we want to make sure, you know, we don't damage the headliner.
And on this one, you're gonna put it in the sunroof as well,
yeah,
right?
So basically the slide cover on this car, we are gonna put it on that also, and it is gonna be functional. It's not gonna be stuck. You can still open and close it. Everything's gonna work. All right, this is a big accident, right? These i8s are mostly built out of fiberglass. You'll see the fiberglass is all smashed. Now BMW, basically when you order the part, you gotta change the whole side. We notified the insurance company that this car is a total loss, right? They said the damage is worth $2,000. We call them picture clickers. Absolutely no knowledge. They just get a little certificate and they think they know everything, right? But that's not the case, obviously. So basically, now we're gonna send them photos like this. This should determine the car is a total loss. They'll contact the auction house, and they'll come and scoop this up out of here. Okay, now on this Lamborghini Huracan, we had damage partial to the frame right here. This has all been repaired. We gave the adjustments. We're waiting on a few parts. Once we get those parts, we'll be putting them together, do the final adjustments, get it painted, and out of here. Today we got a super busy day. We're delivering Melissa Risso's Audi. We got wrapped up with Bankroll Hayden's Mercedes. Okay, Melissa just pulled up. Her car's parked right in the front, so.
Hi.
Hey, Melissa.
Oh, she's
How's it
beautiful.
going?
Good
Nice
job.
to see you. Yeah.
Good to see you too, hun. Oh yeah, you did a great job. So much better. Yes. I needed that.
Looking
so
brand new,
bad.
huh?
It does. There's a little sparkle to it.
You happy?
I am.
That's
so
good.
happy.
That's important that
And
you're
my
happy.
baby back. Thank you so much.
problem.
I really appreciate it. You know, it's really hard to find people that like you can trust to get your car fixed. So this is really nice that now I have a spot.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, hun. Appreciate
It was a pleasure meeting you again.
Yes, you too.
We'll be in touch.
Thank you, love.
Thank you. Okay. Let me do something. So for this video, I'm gonna need your help. All right. On the next video, I want to play a prank on either Shira or one of the employees. So please comment below. Give me some ideas of what type of prank I should play on them.
I have a good one. Maybe.
Yeah, a good
Pretend
prank.
like I run somebody over.
That they'll get scared.
Yeah, that's true.
What do you think they'll do though? I don't think they'll do anything.
They might just
No, but
freeze.
they all like you. Yeah, they're all gonna
They
freeze.
might freeze. What you mean?
Like, is your shoe a little big on your foot, or is it's like the exact fit?
No, it's a little big. I
Because
could.
I wanted to leave your shoe under the tire of the car.
And then what?
Like you start screaming and I get out the car.
Yeah.
What's wrong? And your fucking foot still.
No, I could get another shoe, though, a bigger shoe.
What's wrong,
So when I got
Shawty?
big feet.
What's wrong, Shawty?
Like, why are you screaming?
Why are you screaming? Your foot is still under the tire the whole time. Okay, so Monday, wear big shoes.
Okay. So I really don't run over my foot. I'm serious.
But how about if I do?
Oh, I'll have to sit at home for 2 weeks.
No,
I have a
see?
broken foot.
I don't know what's wrong with you. You want like a vacation or something. First it was like, how about if I get COVID,
No, I didn't
I'm be
say-
gone
I
for
said
2
don't let
weeks.
people come in
Now it's
here
like,
and
if you
get
run over
COVID.
my foot, I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks.
Damn, bro.
Can you just sign date, brother?
I got you.
So we're gonna be wrapping his car. He has a black color now. I'm not gonna tell you the color yet.
Y'all be ready, man.
Yeah,
About to go crazy.
It's
About
gonna,
to
it's
step
gonna be a
out.
surprise. We're basically gonna wrap his car. We're doing something a little unique. You know, with the wraps, you always see the satin white or the matte black. We're doing something different with his car. We're also doing a chrome delete. Basically, the chrome pieces. We're not gonna be wrapping them black. We're gonna be painting them because just the gloss black paint looks so much better than the wrap. All right, that's it. We're good to go.
Alright, y'all. Y'all be ready, man, for the before and after, you know what I'm saying? About to come.